Hello, this is video 5 for Math0302 beginning Algebra Chapter 5 Section 3. For multiplying larger polynomials, the process will remind you of multiplying larger whole numbers. Multiply without a calculator. Now, here's the thing. Everything that you're about to see here, you've already seen. Now, 43 times 621, I'm just going to write 621 here and multiply it by 43. I'm going to take the 3 and multiply every digit in here by 3. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 6 is 18. Now I'm going to leave some space here for the ones because this is in tens. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 6 is 24. Then I'm just going to add them up. 3 plus 0 is, well, just 3. 6 plus 4 is 10, carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 8 is 17, carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 4 is 6. And then 0 plus 2 is 2. So, 621 plus 43 is 26,703. Okay, so for multiplying larger polynomials, you may use long multiplication, the vertical format, the distributive property, or the box method. Here's the thing, I like to use the distributive property. It just makes everything easier, and honestly it makes it more compact. So that's what I'm going to show here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this y and I'm going to distribute to all three terms here. Okay, so y times 2y squared is 2y cubed. Y times negative 3y is negative 3y squared. Y times negative 5, y times positive 5 is positive 5y. So I've just distributed the y to all three terms here. Now I'm going to take this 4 and distribute to all three terms again. So 4 times 2y squared is positive 8y squared. 4 times negative 3y is negative 12y. And 4 times 5 is 20. So there you go. At this point, all I have to do is combine like terms. 2y cubed, well, that's the only one there, so that gives me 2y cubed. Negative 3y squared plus 8y squared. Okay, so negative 3 plus 8 is a plus 5, and then keep it as y squared. 5y, negative 12y. 5 minus 12 is negative 7y. And then the plus 20 by itself. There you go. So that's going to give me 2y cubed plus 5y squared minus 7y plus 20. Now we're going to multiply x cubed minus 2x squared plus 1 times x squared plus 2. Again, take the first term here, distribute to all terms in the next polynomial. So we have x cubed times x squared and x cubed times 2. Well, x cubed times x squared is x to the 5th. Remember, we add the exponents when multiplying. X cubed times 2 is plus 2x cubed. Now we take the middle term, distribute. Negative 2x cubed, negative 2x squared times x squared is negative 2x to the 4th power. Negative 2x squared times 2 is negative 4x squared. Now distribute with the 1 as well. 1 times x squared is x squared, and 1 times 2 is 2. Okay, now we just combine like terms. X to the 5th, there are no more x to the 5th terms, so that's just x to the 5th. Notice that we have a higher degree of x to the fourth, so we have a x to the fourth, and there are no other x to the fourths, so that's minus 2x to the fourth. Then we look for degree 3's. We have one here, so that's 2x cubed, and there are no others. So that's plus 2x cubed. Then we look for the next highest, which is degree 2. There's one here and here. Negative 4x squared plus x squared is negative 3x squared. Degree 1, well, there are no degree 1's, but there is a degree 0 term, and that's plus 2. So there you go. X cubed minus 2x squared plus 1 times x squared plus 2 is x to the fifth minus 2x to the fourth plus 2x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2. There you go. If you can do this right here, you can pretty much multiply any polynomial together. So practice this type of problem, and I promise you, you'll get pretty good at multiplying polynomials together. Alrighty, I will end it here. This is all we have for this section. The next section is special products. I will see you in section 4. Alrighty, see you next time.